Hello, I did my project on genetic diseases. So, genetic diseases. What are genetic diseases? A genetic disorder is a condition that is caused by an abnormality in the individual's DNA. Abnormalities can be as small as single base mutations in just one gene, or they can involve the addition or subtraction of entire chromosomes. The two diseases I chose were Down syndrome and hemophilia. We have a child with Down syndrome on the right and a child with hemophilia on the left. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is a rare disorder where your blood doesn't clot normally because it lacks sufficient blood clotting proteins. If you have hemophilia, you may bleed for a longer time after an injury than you would if your blood clotted normally. Images of hemophilia. Down syndrome. Down syndrome, DS or DNS, also known as trisomy 21, is a genetic disorder caused by the presence of all or part of a third canopy of chromosome 21. It is typically associated with a physical growth delays, mild to moderate intellectual disability, and characteristics and facial features. 83,000 users, which are teens and children, have Down syndrome. These are images of children with Down syndrome. And that'll be all.